Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This has been bugging me for a while, and it seems like it should be an easy fix for me. So I thought I'd shoot a little video and show you guys how I do it. These are my spin shoes. Indoor cycling. Spin, I guess, is a trademark or something. Anyway, check this out. It's kind of weird. Somehow or another, and I've used these for at least a couple of years, maybe going on 3 years. One of the plastic straps goes together like that, and you tighten it up like a snowboard boot or something, and then you just take it out with pressing that top piece. Anyway, that one's fine. This one got a curve to it somehow or another, a permanent curve, seems to me. It doesn't go away. I think I can fix it just by heating it up with a heat gun, which I have. So I'm going to try that, and I'll just see if I can prop it up. Come on. Prop it up here and shoot it with a heat gun. I'll try low first. I'll try it on low, and if that doesn't work, we'll use a bigger hammer. We'll go to high. But I'm just going to heat it up, and I'm just going to bend it with my hand or with a rag. I think I'll use a rag. I don't want plastic on my fingers. And we'll see what happens. And I think if I bend it straight, I don't think it's going to do this again. If it does, I'll straighten it out again. But it's really annoying because when I try to put it in to the buckle, it doesn't want to go through. It just jams up in the middle of the buckle. So I'm there trying to get my shoe on. So if this takes a while, I'll pause the video because this is probably not the most exciting thing to watch. But if it works real quick, maybe I'll get some pliers. Let's see if I can reach some pliers here. Well, not that I need them for strength, but just so I don't burn myself. It looks like it's coming out. What do you think? I think so. And I'll keep it on the low heat because I don't want to melt it. I think I probably could melt it if I put this on high heat. I think it goes to about 1,500 F. Yeah, it's coming out. And slower is better. I think you would agree that I don't want to just blast it. Maybe I give it a little blast. That's just for fun. I can smell it when I put it on high. Let's go. One more. I'm doing these pliers left-handed, so you'll have to excuse me. I'm not a left-handed person. That's my air compressor. I gave it a little high. Almost straight. So what I'm doing is I'm putting a little bend into it with the pliers and heating it and bending it at the same time. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to high. This is taking too long. Yeah, we're almost there. One more. Give it one more. The distance that you hold this heat gun lessens or increases the heat. You all probably knew that, but yeah. I'm going to call that straight. Alright? Be careful when you put this down, it's hot on the end. Just put pliers under it. If you see that towel start to smoke, let me know. Anyway, there it is. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. It's kind of like, I don't know how many of my subscribers have, spin shoes or do that kind of exercise, but there you go. Take care. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.